Hello everybody, I'm Natalie. Welcome to my new studio, and I can't wait to share with you today my number 100 ultimate carry-all bag. Yes, I made 100 of these bags. It's ultimate carry-all bag. You can find the pattern for this bag on blueprint.com. Find me as Natalie Quiltessa. You can find it in my Etsy.com store Quiltessence. You can also find it in my store QuiltessaNatalie.com. And this bag is going to Paris. Yes, the lady from Paris, France, ordered this bag. She wanted it in this green lime color with purple handles. So this beautiful bag is going to Paris. Let me show you this bag. The total bag has 18 pockets. Here's the front pocket with embroidery. Any day spent sewing is a good day. There is a pocket on the back. You can put here your phone or something else. And here's a sleeve for the roller cart. So you can put this bag on a roller cart with a sewing machine and have everything stuffed there, everything you need for your class, a retreat, or when you're traveling with your sewing needs. When you open the bag, there are snaps here. You have ironing pad here. So when you put it on your table in front of you, you can use miniature iron and use this ironing pad for your projects. Two large pockets have zippers. They all fused with fusible stabilizer and lined up and zippered. This pocket has slips for your pencils, marks, seam ripper, scissors, whatever else. On the inside, you have two pockets this size and also two mesh pockets right here. And on the back of this pocket, you also have four mesh pockets. Smaller one, where you can put small items like spools, like your wonder clips, like pins, little patterns, little templates, tape measure, and so on. I also attach additional vinyl clear bags for each bag I make. You can keep here small templates, small fabrics, needles, and other items in these very handy vinyl clear bags with a small pocket for the card. You can also find them in my stores. And also the front pocket has mesh pocket, two small pockets with attached clear vinyl badge holders where you can keep also business cards or any other cards, and also a zippered pocket here. What else? Well, so as I said, the bag has 18 pockets in a total, and you can also carry it on a carry-on card. Again, this is my number 100 bag. If you like the bag, find the pattern and make your own in my Etsy store Quiltessence, in my Quiltess.com store, and also on blueprint.com. If you want to make this bag using my pattern, you need to have a pattern. But I'm gonna give you now, watch this video to the very end, and I will give you a guide. I was taking pictures when I was making this bag, step by step. In my tutorial, you also have a video, but this one is a short version, so you can see step by step how I was making this bag. Enjoy! Congratulations with my number 100.